Hi all, welcome to Skillbout. Do you know average questions can be solved within 10 to 15 seconds? To learn the trick, please must watch part 1, 2, 3 of the same video series. Links are in description.
Part 5 means when no shortcuts can be used. When no shortcut can be used means when you're not able to use any shortcut. What are the any shortcut? All the part one, 2, 3, 4, whatever I did, we did it through some shortcuts. When I'm not able to use any shortcut, means ultimately what I have to do? Ultimately, I have to use the formula. What is the formula? Formula is equal to average is nothing but sum divided by number. When I am done with a lot of brainstorming and I come to that no shortcut can be used in this kind of question, I forced to use this formula and I am forced to make equation by using this formula into part 5. Am I clear? No theory at all. Let me tell you, every question can be solved by this formula. I think in the previous class I said this also. Each and every question of average can be solved by this formula. That except that weightage average thing. Especially in part 1, part 2, part 3, we have seen some shortcuts. Even in part 4, weighted average concept, we have seen some shortcut. So what I try to tell right now is that when no shortcut can be used, directly go back, form equation using these formulas and solve the equation. So what will be my steps here? My steps will be very easy. Form equation by formula, form equation by formula and solve it. I directly expose you guys with the question. We'll solve two questions and we'll close the session for the day. The problem will be that how to know that which is part 1, which is part 2, which is part 3, which is part 4. That will come by some practice. The mean means nothing but average only. This arithmetic mean, which we call it as average, which we have discussed in the previous class, is nothing but called as average only. Means the average temperature of 3 days. Which 3 days, sir? Monday, Tuesday, plus Wednesday. Average is how we find. Divided by 3 will be nothing but equal to average, which is nothing but equal to how much? 37. This is one equation. Then what they said? They said that uh, average of Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday. This is what they said, if I'm not wrong. Tuesday to Thursday, whole divided by 3, this will be equal to 34. Now you also see this very carefully. They've given one more information. The temperature on Thursday was 4/5 of the Monday. If you see very carefully, they written it off. That Thursday is equal to 4 by 5 of Monday. Means from here also I can write one equation. That is Thursday is equal to 4 by 5 of Monday. I hope everyone can see three equation, three variable, any fine day we can solve. How we can solve? Cross multiply, sir. So this will become Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday will be equal to 37 into 3. Don't multiply. Why don't multiply? Because you're also 3 only. So we can take common and do the calculation. Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday will be equal to 34 into 3. Now what I can do, this is my equation number 1. Let's call this as equation number 2. Subtract 1 minus 2. Why subtract? Because it's unnecessary information. We cannot use it. So after subtracting these two number, it will become Monday and Tuesday. These two Tuesday will cancel out each other. I hope you understand this Tuesday and this Tuesday, they will cancel out each other. Then after this, if I'm not wrong, Wednesday is present in this equation also. This Wednesday and this Wednesday will cancel out each other. So these two cancel. Thursday will be minus part of it. So Monday minus Thursday will be equal to 37 into 3 minus 34 into 3. 3 common outside. If 3 common outside means inside it will be 37 minus 34, which is again equal to 3 only. So I hope everyone understood Monday minus Thursday will be equal to 9. You know that Thursday is equal to 4 by 5 of Monday. So instead of Thursday, you can write 4 by 5 of Monday. So Monday minus 4 by 5 of Monday will be equal to 9, which means that 1 by 5 of Monday will be equal to 9, which means that Monday will be equal to 45. When Monday is equal to
Yes.
4 by 5, what they're asking Thursday. So instead of Monday, write 45 here. You do the calculation. If I'm not wrong, you'll get the Thursday is equal to 36. So I hope everyone able to understand this kind of question carefully, that when no shortcuts will come to the mind, then this is the method of solving every question.
Thank you. Average concepts are still far from over. To learn and improve yourself, stay tuned with us.